Hi, welcome to Benberkley Builds. I'm Ben. In this episode I'm going to show you how I fitted this loft hatch. My original loft hatch opening was up here, so it was really small, and now once I've trimmed out and cut out the existing ceiling joist, I was left with an opening that was a decent size so I can get some boxes and etc. up there, all my rubbish essentially. So this is a decent sized loft hatch with a good sturdy ladder, so it's really good for gaining access to the loft. So to start off with, I've worked out where my frame's going to go. I've marked that on the ceiling, made sure I'm happy with its location. I've also checked that there's no pipes or cables above it. Now I can go ahead and cut around my mark, and that will be where my frame's going to sit. So my next step is to create a frame that my loft hatch frame can sit inside of, which means I've got to get rid of these timbers here, so I'll have to trim them out. So I'll cut them off, I'll trim it either side and put a length of timber either side to create my frame. So I'm now going to measure up and mark back for that timber. As I cut this plasterboard, I'll need to leave space for my timber to sit in so it's all flush. So what I've done, I've marked next to the plasterboard, which is where my frame is going to start. This represents the timber that's going to go around the frame, and I've measured back and cut next to it. So as this timber is fitted to this ceiling binder, then the frame has something to screw into. So now we've cut the two timbers out that were here. I've trimmed up this to support these two that I've just cut out. So I've belt and braced it, I've put some hangers either side, and I've screwed in to support these two timbers that we've just cut out. So I'm going to do that, replicate that this side. So now we've got these two pieces of timber in, I'm going to trim out this frame by putting two pieces of timber either side with hangers as well. So let's go and cut that. So I've put bearers front and back, and this will really help when I lift up the door of the loft hatch and the frame. This will hold the frame and the door in place so I don't have to struggle. So the kit that I've got, I do have to do most of it from the loft itself because I can't get in otherwise. So this can really help support things so I don't have to struggle. So now I've got the frame up and the door itself. These are both supported on those bearers I showed you a second ago. So I've screwed this in so this frame's solid, and now I can start putting all the gubbins, the ladder, the mechanism and the hinges on top of this door into the frame. Yours might be different to this, so I won't show you step by step, but this gives you an idea of how mine goes together. Thanks for watching, guys. In this video, we saw how I fitted a loft ladder. If you want to be notified of new videos, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.